Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to make tandoori chicken in air fryer. If you have been following me on Instagram, I had posted a query about air fryer and a lot of you had requested me to show once I get the air fryer. So today I'll be showing you how to make tandoori chicken in air fryer. Please watch the whole video for some tips that really help to make it moist and juicy. For making this, I have taken around 750 grams of chicken legs and I have made slits like this here, as you can see. You can take any cut, I have taken only legs. Then curd 1 cup, and I have taken 1 pack of tandoori masala, that this is market bought, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Now in a mixing bowl, I'll be adding this tandoori masala mix, lemon juice and curd, and I will mix all the 3 things together. These are the only ingredients that I am using because the tandoori masala that I am using from market, it has everything. I am not using anything else. Even we don't need to add salt to this. Now to this mix I am adding chicken pieces. Here you can see. And we have to rub all the spice mix to it. We have to rub on all the pieces. And then we will keep it for marination. Even you don't need to add salt to this, still you can check if you want to add more. So here I will cover it with cling film, or you can use any airtight container and keep it in fridge for minimum 4 to 6 hours. After around 6 hours of marination, I have taken it out. Until then I'll preheat the air fryer. So here it's not visible, it's fluctuating. So for 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. We have to keep it on 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. That's the preheating. Until air fryer preheats. Till then I'll show you. So now I'm taking chicken pieces out on a plate and I'll apply some oil on it. And this tandoori mix that we had kept this chicken in. So here you can see. Now this is the air fryer container and I'm adding these chicken pieces to it. So I'm adding only 4 for now, or else it will get too crowded. Then again I'll apply oil on the other side, and masala mix in which we had marinated chicken. It will give juicy flavor. The temperature I'm going to follow whatever is mentioned on the manual. So here you can see for drumsticks they have mentioned 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 22 minutes. Comes the trick part. I'll do 170 or 160 degrees for 20 minutes, but after 10 minutes I'll open it. So here you will see. So I will flip it. Usually in air fryer we don't flip, but this makes it, this is the trick. And then here I will apply again that mixture that we had applied earlier. This will retain the juice. And I will apply some oil also. Here you can see I'm applying some marination mixture, and again it will go in the air fryer. So after around 20 minutes our tandoori chicken is ready. Here you can see the color, everything, it's perfect. Now I will follow the same procedure with the remaining chicken pieces. So here you can see I'm placing them. So it's important to apply the marination mix and oil, and you have to open it in between when just 10 minutes, like half of the time is left. Then you can open and again mix, again use some oil and the marination mix. This retains its juiciness, or else the chicken becomes very dry on the surface. So here you can see I am keeping 160 for 22 minutes. So here the juicy and very hot chicken is ready. Now it's ready to be served. It can be served in starters or as a side dish. So here I have paired it with coriander and mint chutney. I have made all these chutney. I will be leaving a link in the description box to check the different kind of chutneys. Give this recipe a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.